Shy and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who've been watching some of my videos on my IMATS haul and reveal, you might have remembered that I actually left with the wrong Violet Voss palette. The associate who was working there gave me the wrong palette than what I wanted, so I did contact Violet Voss, and I just have to say they are the sweetest people. They were so nice about the whole thing. I packaged up the palette that the girl had given me, shipped it back to them, and they just shipped me back the one I really wanted. So this is the Violet Voss Taupe Notch. It's got this cool hollow packaging, so I just am super appreciative that, because I really reached out to them like not really thinking that, you know, anything was going to come from it. Like it seemed kind of weird anyway. They'd be like any other company would probably be like, oh yeah, I'm sure you got the wrong palette. Anyways, I thought it'd be cool today to do a look with that palette since I am so excited. I finally got it in the mail. Like I literally just got this bad boy in the mail. So my favorite shadows are neutral tones. Oh yes, baby, look at the mirror, yes. So this is the palette. I'm gonna get it good and close for you guys. So really incredible neutral tones. So we are gonna do a nude look today. Yes, we are. And forgive these cat ears, I'm about to look real funny, but I just wanna get my hair out of my face to make my makeup a little bit easier today, okay? And these don't leave creases and they're glitter, so screw it. So the first thing I am going to do is I am going to go in with my Morphe E14. Looks like I'm going to take this shade right here all over from my lid to my brow bone and use this as my base shade. So I am going to use the mirror to look. So sorry about that, y'all. Let's see here. And this is actually my first time ever using Violet Voss shadows as well. So this is also a first impression. I'll let you know if it was worth the struggle to get this damn palette. Ooh. Super pigmented and very buttery. So this one is that light shade. I'm just putting that all over to just start a really nice base. And then I'm going to go in, y'all know this is my favorite crease brush, the Royal and Langnickel crease brush in BMD 430. I am going to go into Bestest, which is right here, and use that as my transition shade. And I'm going to go just right above the crease. And just do little windshield wiper motions, take a little bit more. I like to do a slow build on that, take like a little bit and then do a little bit more each time. And do it on the other side as well. You guys don't even understand how excited I am to actually get this palette. I just thought it was so pretty, and like they handled it like so fast too to like get me it. Alrighty, so far blending really, really nicely. I am going to deepen it up a little bit with Exclusive, which is this color right here. Same brush, nothing too major yet. So, and really there's not much fallout with these guys either. Like this is really nice, but they're still blending so well. So this one I'm going to focus it in the crease a little bit more. I'm not going to do anything too dramatic today. I'm actually getting ready to go to work right now for an overnight shift. So if I go in full glam, I mean, it wouldn't be the first time, but by about 3 o'clock in the morning, having glitter all over your face isn't normally where you really want to be at with life. So we're going to go a little bit more natural. As natural as I get, we'll go with that. And then I'm going to take Exclusive just a little bit more to just continue to deepen that up a little bit. These are blending really nice. It was worth the wait, let me tell you, because these are great every single day shadows, like the amount that you get. And with these like darker tones, like doing a killer night look too, I love it. So far they're blending really, really nicely. I am going to go in with my ColourPop little shader brush. You guys know I love this one as well. And we are going to go in with Extra, right, which is this corner shade right here, just to deepen up that crease a little bit, just a very small amount. and focusing it directly in the crease and more of the outer portion of my eye. Doing that on both sides, just so it gives it a little bit more depth to the eye. Little circular motions to help feather it out a little bit more. And there we are. And then I am going to go in with my original shader brush and just gently go over the lines from the top to just make sure it's a real seamless shading. Because again, I just want a real diffused natural eye look today, so nothing too wild. And I am going to go back in with my ColourPop little fluffy brush that I wish had a name so I could tell you. And I am going to go in with, just because I want to use as many as I can right now, we are going to go in with First Class, which is right over here, another deep taupe shade, and just use a little bit of that to just deepen up that crease even more. And this one I'm just going to do windshield wiper motions because I really just want that strictly in the crease. I don't really need it like feathered out because we've already done so much blending with the other ones. This one's just going to deepen that crease a little bit more for us. So I get this type of look. And then, let's see, we got to do a little bit of glitter, right? Okay, so let me take my ColourPop little, flat, I guess it would be a concealer brush, and we are going to go in with, let's see, I think I'm going to do Super, which is right there. It's got, gosh, it's so pretty. It's this one right there. It's got some like shimmer in it, but not too crazy. I am going to try it dry. Normally, you know, I would be spraying it with my Fix Plus, but I just want something super easy. So I'm just going to do, ooh, that picked up real nice. And we're just going to go right on the lid just to give it a little bit of shimmer. Honestly, that picked up really nice even without Fix Plus. And I think it'd be super buildable as well. Do a little bit more. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Super buildable. But still, like, super soft at the same time. Where, like, since I want to do a natural eye today, it's not overwhelming. And then I am going to take that same brush. I'm just going to wipe it off a little bit because it's just this light shimmer shade, and I am going to go in with number 1 right in the brow bone area, just to give it, you know, a little something. And then I am going to take my ColourPop little shader brush again, clean it off a little bit, and dip back into that bestest color and go right under my eye, just to give it a little bit more depth and kind of pull it together. I always think it looks really strange, it's just a personal thing, when people only have eyeshadow up and they have nothing even remotely to kind of smoke out the bottom. I just feel like you need a little bit, even when you're doing a real natural look, just a little tiny bit goes a little long way. So we have that so far. I love this palette. Oh, I feel like I can use this literally every day of my life. So I am gonna just quickly put on some mascara. My gosh, where is my mascara? And we're back. She rolled on the ground. So I am going in with, of course, my Lash Paradise. And I'm not going to use falsies today just because, like I said, natural look, and I'm going to work and also don't want to deal with falsies at weird hours of the morning. I always end up ripping them off anyway, and then they end up in the office somewhere and everyone thinks they're spiders. So let's not do that to my coworkers today. Alrighty. Perfect. And then just going to finish it off with some lip gloss. You know I got to go in with my gloss. This one is Max Bountiful. I have been using this lip gloss forever. It's just like one of those frosted, glittery ones. I honestly grew up with my mom using it, so it reminds me of her, so I just love using it. And then we're going to finish it off with just some Morphe setting spray. I have become obsessed with this since IMATS. If you have not tried it yet, you are so missing out. So then here is the finished little everyday look using my new palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial and just talking about the brand. Again, I am really grateful for their customer service. That was really, really cool of them to actually get in touch with me so quickly and send me the palette that I really wanted. I'm gonna be using this lots and lots. I highly recommend it. Their shadows are so buttery and blend like a dream. And the size of this mirror is like the size of my head. So like this would be like the perfect palette to just even travel with too, because you actually have like a full-size mirror. I'm honestly probably going to keep this on my little desk that I film on to use for makeup tutorials because this is like perfect. Alrighty guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.